Kashmir is voting for the third and the final phase with over 39 lakh voters exercising their franchise over 40 assembly seats today. Jammu and Kashmir Assembly Elections 2024. Voting underway for the last phase today. 40 seats goes to poll today. 24 seats in Jammu region and 16 in Kashmir. Voting began at 10 a.m. and to conclude by 7 p.m. today. The voters to determine the fate of 415 candidates in the fray. 5,060 polling stations set up across Jammu and Kashmir. The security has been beefed up to maintain law and order. And Jammu and Kashmir is voting in the third and the final phase of polling today with over 39 lakh voters exercising their franchise across 40 assembly seats, where 24 in Jammu region and 16 in Kashmir. The final phase of polling, which began at around 7 a.m., will be concluding by 7 p.m. in the valley and will determine the future of 415 candidates in the fray. The Election Commission of India has set up 5,060 polling stations across Jammu and Kashmir, and security has been beefed up to maintain law and order during the voting period. While the National Conference and the Congress are fighting the elections in the alliance, the People's Democratic Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party are the two other major players. One of the key highlights and probable deciding factor in the poll is the participation of Pakistani refugees, Valmiki Samaj and the Gorkha community, who got voting rights in the Union Territory after the abrogation of Article 370. Some of the prominent candidates in the third phase of polling include People's Conference Chairman and the former Minister Sajid Lone and the National Panthers Party India President Dev Singh. While Jammu and Kashmir Ministers Raman Bhalla, Usman Masjid, Nazir Ahmed Khan, Taj Mohiuddin, Bashrat Bukhari, Imran Ansari, Ghulam Hassan Mir and Chaudhry Lal Singh are the prominent candidates in the fray. The exit poll for the Jammu and Kashmir elections will take place on October 5, while the results will be decided on October 8. The former Deputy Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir and the BJP leader Kavindra Gupta, after casting his vote, said that after the removal of Article 370, a new Jammu and Kashmir has been created. And as such, Jammu and Kashmir Assembly Elections 2024, the voting is underway for the last and the final phase today, where 40 seats goes for polls today, and the assembly elections are being held today in the third phase for 40 assembly seats in Jammu and Kashmir, where 24 seats are in Jammu region and 16 are from Kashmir. The voting began at around 7 a.m. today and are slated to conclude by 7 p.m. The voters will determine the fate of 415 candidates. Meanwhile, 5,060 polling stations have been set up across Jammu and Kashmir, and also the security has been beefed up to maintain law and order. Now we have some reactions coming in from the elections. We'll move on to that.
(370) 5 अगस्त 2019 को हटाई गई थी। उसके बाद हम देखें तो नया जम्मू कश्मीर बना है। अलगाववाद, आतंकवाद, भ्रष्टाचार, परिवारवाद, ये सब चीजें हमने समाप्त की है। टेररिज्म से टूरिज्म की तरफ हम ले गए और बुलेट से बैलेट की तरफ हम ले गए। इस दौरान हमने 73rd और 74th अमेंडमेंट को लागू किया। तो अब लोगों के उत्साह होना स्वाभाविक बात है, क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री जी के द्वारा जो जम्मू कश्मीर में चीजें लाई गई हैं और लोगों में एक विश्वास बना है, तो स्वाभाविक बात है कि लोग भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पक्ष में वोट करेंगे और आने वाले 8 अक्टूबर को सबसे बड़ा दल भारतीय जनता पार्टी ही होगा। देखिए, हम दूसरे देशों में चले जाएं, 5 साल बाद हमारा ग्रीन कार्ड बन जाता है, लेकिन यह विडंबना है कि 70 साल यहाँ पर वेस्ट पाकिस्तान रिफ्यूजी, वाल्मीकि समाज, गोरखा समाज और बहुत से ऐसे लोगों को अधिकार नहीं दिए गए। उनको वोट का अधिकार नहीं था, उनको जगह खरीदने का अधिकार नहीं था। आज एक नई जो प्रक्रिया यहाँ पर लागू हुई है, लोगों में एक विश्वास बना है, तो स्वाभाविक बात है कि लोग ये जो लोकतांत्रिक प्रक्रिया को सराह रहे हैं और हमारे हक में वोट कर रहे हैं। पहले कश्मीर में देखें तो 4%, 5%, 6% लोग वहां पर वोट डाला।